Okay, so today we are going to cook vegetable lumpia. Actually, you can just use any types of vegetables. In here we have singkamas, turnips. This is available in the Philippines. So we're going to dice this one. First, you need to make a flat surface. Because if you're going to cut this, it's very dangerous. Flat surface, there. And then make a slice. From there, slice into matchsticks. Then dice. So we have here the turnips, then carrots, slice, then flat side on the chopping board and cut. Make a matchsticks, julienne cut. Now we have a matchsticks, turn this 90 degrees and slice to create a fine dice. Place all together here. Transfer the turnips here, the singkamas, because this will be cooked together. Then potato, cut to the side. Then stand the flat surface on the chopping board and slice. Make a matchsticks, fine dice. And then add to your mix. This will be cooked together. And lastly, we have chayote, slice. Now we have the matchsticks, group, arrange, then rotate 90 degrees. Okay, to make, and then from there, slice. You will create a very fine dice. Just up and down, up and down. Let's prepare the aromatics. Onion, dice this one. Slice the end. Then peel. Make a flat surface. Okay? First, slice, cut in half, flat side on the chopping board. Since we are going to dice this one, cut only until the root. Okay? Don't cut through. Okay? Okay. From there, cut horizontally. Then slice. So you have now here a very fine diced onions. Slice horizontally. 1, 2, then slice. Then your garlic, 4 cloves of garlic. Smash to remove the skin easily. Then now you can easily remove the skin. Mince. Red pepper. Slice. And remove the seeds. Then slice. First, gas on, high heat, empty pan, really nice and hot, very important. How do you know if this is hot enough? Look. If you're going to put water there, the water will run. Okay? Look at the bubbles, it is running. Okay? Now, oil in. Then, onions and red pepper. Okay? You should always hear that sound. Okay? Salt. Pepper, mix. Then garlic. And there, all your vegetables. Carrots, sayote, turnips, and Potato. There. Salt. Look at the amount of salt I'm using. Pepper. Mix. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Muscovado sugar. Mix. Still on high heat. We're going to cook out this one for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? Because this will become the filling of our lumpia. Have a taste. Check for seasoning. Yeah. The salt is good. Butter in. Melt the butter. Calamansi. Calamansi. The calamansi juice cuts the richness of the vegetables. Taste. Spring onions. Spring onions in. Then turn off the heat. Okay. So this is now the filling of our lumpia. Spring rolls. So this is the filling of our lumpia. When this is cooled down, then we can already wrap the filling into our lumpia wrapper. Okay, so now the vegetables are now cooled down. I will let someone else do the wrapping. So this is now the wrapped lumpia. The camera girl will be the one to deep fry this.